Fix 1. Check the charging cable and USB adapter. Using non-original or damaged charging cables and adapters can significantly affect charging speed. It is recommended to use Apple's certified charging accessories. Try replacing the charging cable or adapter to see if it improves the charging speed. Fix 2. Try different outlets and chargers. Sometimes an unstable voltage from the outlet or charger can affect charging speed. Try using a different outlet or charger, especially one with a higher power rating, ensuring that it is compatible with the iPhone's charging requirements. Fix 3. Clean the charging port. Dust or debris may accumulate inside the charging port, causing the iPhone to charge slowly. After the update, you can use a clean, soft brush to gently clean the port, being careful not to damage it. Fix 4. Disable optimized battery charging and clean energy charging. Step 1. Go to Settings, Battery, Health and Charging. Step 2. Disable the optimized battery charging and clean energy charging options. Fix 5. Check battery health. If the battery health is poor, it may lead to reduced charging efficiency. Go to Settings, Battery, Health and Charging to check the battery's maximum capacity. If the battery health is below 80%, you may want to consider replacing the battery. Fix 6. Avoid using iPhone while charging. Using your phone while charging consumes power, which slows down the charging speed. To speed up charging, try to avoid using the phone during charging, especially for power-hungry apps. Fix 7. Enable airplane mode or turn off the iPhone. Step 1. Swipe down from the control center. Step 2. Tap the airplane mode icon to disable network and data connections. Fix 8. Avoid extreme temperature environments. Charging your iPhone in high or low temperature environments can cause battery performance to decline and affect charging speed. It is recommended to charge the device in a room temperature environment. If the device becomes too hot, allow it to cool down before starting to charge. Fix 9. Limit background processes. Step 1. Go to Settings, General Background App Refresh. Step 2. Disable background app refresh for apps you don't need. Fix 10. Restart the iPhone. If your iPhone is charging slowly, you can also turn it off and then back on. After that, try charging it again. If your device isn't responding, attempt a forced restart. Fix 11. Use iOS system recovery. If the above methods don't work, you can try using some professional iOS system repair tools to fix the iPhone charging slow after update issue. Step 1. After downloading and installing, open the program and select iOS system recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to your computer and trust the connection. Then, click Start and follow the instructions to put your device into recovery mode. Step 3. Select Standard Mode and click Confirm to proceed. The tool will begin downloading the necessary iOS firmware. Step 4. Once the firmware download is complete, click Repair to start the process. The tool will repair your device, fixing the issue of the iPhone charging slowly after the update. Fix 12. Contact Apple support. If the issue persists after trying all of the above methods, it is recommended to contact Apple support for further diagnosis and repair by a professional.